Hi and welcome to Canva free version, and today we are looking at creating tables in our documents or posts and things that we want to create. So let's have a go. In documents, let's create a Facebook page. And again, we are going to be looking down the left hand side of the ribbon here, the back ribbon, and under elements we will have tables. So I believe you can either scroll down and see them down here, or type in the search bar tables, and that will also bring up the options for you. Okay, so then from here you select what type of table you want, and let's just click on this one. And then it automatically, once you click on it there, it automatically populates it to the very center middle of your design. And here you can delete a row, add a row, or add a row after, or move the row down. So there's little three elliptics here. And that's what I clicked on, and it shows you all the different things that you can do. So you can delete that row, you can add a row before it, one after it, and you can delete and all sorts from there. And with this one, you can add a column before or after. You can move the columns, and then you can size the rows equally and size the columns as well. You can also change the color of the grid lines. So once you've clicked on the one or the entire thing, so if you highlight the whole thing by clicking the left mouse, dragging it down to the next corner, highlighting all the parts that you want to change the color of, then when you release it, you can go up to the top here in the white border, and you can click on the grid lines, and you can change the color of your grid lines, and it changes the entirety of it. If you were just in one cell and you wanted to change that particular color to something else, then you can. So that box then becomes highlighted. So once you have highlighted what it is that you want to do up here, you see the white bar comes up with different variations of what else you can do with this particular thing. So you can increase the spacing of the lines in between. The cell spacing can be changed as well. I think that might actually relate to the inside. Obviously you can change the fonts of what it is that you're typing in there. And the other thing you can do when you highlight, when you've got the whole box highlighted, it's here somewhere. Okay, let's highlight the box. You can add a new row as well here, a new column, and I think you can add a new row here. Yeah, so you can use the plus signs as well as the elliptics. Okay, and when the whole thing is highlighted, you're able to move this around as well. Okay, and just so you know that when you've got your whole thing highlighted, you can change the positioning of where you want it to be. So we've got that in the center and in the middle, or at the bottom, to the left, to the right. So you can play about with where you want that actually placed. Okay. And again, if you just wanted them all the same color, highlight them all, and then change the color back to whatever it is that you want. And of course, again, the spacing, just play about with what you actually want here. So you can make that look like columns of boxes rather than a table. Okay. And then if you wanted to type in something, you just highlight the box and then start typing. And that is better than having to click for a text or type T for a text. It's going to come up anyway because your text you're writing. So you don't need to put a text box in them. You can just automatically start writing. Okay, so that's how we use tables. Thank you.